Alright guys, I want to shoot a quick demo video of what Perpetual Income 365 is all about, right? And show you guys the insights of the software. So first of all, when you first log into Perpetual Income as a member, you'll be greeted with the welcome page. So this is where I explain what the software does and all that stuff, right, to members. And here members get a chance to join the Facebook community where we do our live training in there. And also they get to better understand how we incorporate the MCCA Netflix algorithm into the software. Right? So this is the welcome page. We have an announcement tab as well, right? And we also have an onboarding tab where we allow members to basically claim some bonuses, and we sort of like handhold members along the way throughout the entire process of building up their funnel and their list. Right? So this is the welcome tab that you're looking at. Next, we move on to the step-by-step guide. So in the step-by-step guide, there are a total of 7 steps, right, before someone can get started. But do note that some of the steps, right, are optional because they are upsells, right? So not all of them are needed for you to get started. So for example, Step 3, Step 4, and Step 5, they are upsells, so they are optional. They are definitely going to help members make more money, but it's not necessary for them to make money. Okay, so Step 1 is to integrate their account. So here you can, it can be either ClickBank. Right now we have Digistore 24 as well, we have Warrior Plus as well. So that's Step 1. Step 2 is to integrate your GetResponse account. Right. And step 3 is to activate one of the upgrades if they want to, right? The Perpetual Assets Multiplier. I'm going to go into that later in detail. Step 4 is to activate Email ATM. It's another upgrade. Step 5 is another upgrade, 5 clicks profit activator. And step 6 is to create the landing pages, the money page, and grab the links. Step 7 is to watch the mindset training videos that we have for them, for all members, to make sure that everyone has a mind of steel, right, before they go out there to get traffic, which is the final step. So everything is step by step. If one of them is not completed, they will not be able to move on to the next step unless it's an optional step, right? So it's very simple to follow. Now let's have a look at, say, integration. So you see, in integrations, we have integrated ClickBank, Digistore, or Warrior Plus. So a member can choose whichever platform they want to use to run this business, right? Whichever affiliate platform. And they can get a chance, of course, I mean, they have to integrate another responses. And in this case, we support GetResponse. Okay. Next is the money pages. So let me just go into the creation of a single money page. Here we are in the money page, right? So here, the top left-hand corner, this video explains basically what a money page is, and this video at the bottom shows them how to create the money page, right? And we have an upgrade here as well, which is the Perpetual Asset Multiplier. So someone, I mean, if a member watched this video and they're interested, they can always upgrade it here. So what this does is it allows members to have more money pages. A default member has 2 money pages that they can choose from. Out of how many do we have? 12 money pages, right? So 2 out of 12. If they upgrade to this upgrade, they're going to get more. They're going to get unlimited money pages, and they get a chance to edit their money page, just like other landing page builder. They can actually edit their money page. Okay, so here you can see all the money pages are here. Members will be able to know how many visitors have, how many people have visited their money pages. It's all trackable. How many subscribers have opted in? How many opens are there? How many clicks are there? Right? So here you can see, for example, this is one of the money pages here. So in this money page, right, it is all auto-generated for them. I mean, the templates are all done for them. So in the advanced option, they can choose to mask the link, they can choose to add a pixel, they can edit the page, or they can add ClickBank tracking ID. So here, the moment someone creates a money page, we add 31 days of email autoresponder emails right into that list. So it's all pre-written, it's done, there's nothing else that's needed. okay, the money page link is here. This is where they can run ads to. Right, page subscribers, how many subscribers are registered to this page, how many visits. So here they can members can determine what's the opt-in rate, right? And then how many autoresponded emails have been sent out from this money page based on how many members are there, or how many subscribers are there in their list. Right, so you see there's so many templates here. Very simply, someone member just clicks on this, they can get to select any one of the money pages that we have. Right, so let's say we can just preview this page. So you see it's beautifully created for them. Everything's integrated here. This is integrated to their link, to their response account. And once they create the page, boom, 31 days of automated emails are up with their affiliate link as well. So that's the beauty of this software. There's no need for page creation, all done for you. Right, next we move on to one of the upgrades, which is called the 5 clicks profit activator. Okay, so in the 5 clicks profit activator, this is where members get a chance to enable any of these 6 plugins that we have for them. The main purpose of this plugin is to increase the opt-in rates on their landing pages. Okay, so for example, here you see that on the top, the bottom right hand corner, there's this positions available. That's actually spots available here. So they can turn this on, and this pop-up is going to be on their landing page. Okay, and they have different elements like rocking button animation. If you turn this on, the opt-in box is going to start shaking. If they turn display visitor country flag on, we're going to display the country where they belong to. If we have this evergreen date display banner as well, free social bar banner as well. So when you turn it on, there is going to be a small little pop-up at the bottom left saying that someone else has opted in or purchased the product. So all in all, this tool allows someone to allows a member to increase the opt-in rate. So this is a pretty cool feature. We also have Traffic Crusher, right, where I share where I get my traffic from, right. So there you go, there's a Traffic Crusher in there. So I explain to them how to make $2,000 with this software. Okay, and we have the other upgrade called the Email ATM. So this upgrade allows members to send out emails without writing a single email. Okay. So this is how it works. Basically, you just pick a product, you choose swipe, and you send. Right. So here you can enter the email ATM. It's a very cool feature. Members do not need to log in to get a response at all. So step 1 is to choose a product. So we have integrated the top 10 products right now from ClickBank and Digistore24. We're going to add more into this list. So they can basically select a product. It's all integrated with the affiliate ID because they have integrated everything at the start. Step 2 is to pick a swipe. We have 400 different swipes in there for them to select. And step 3 is to send. That's it. Dead simple, right? And that's how they can monetize on their emails. Now, if someone is not an upgrader of Email ATM and they still want to send out emails, it can be done through the email broadcasting tool over here. So email broadcasting tool basically is a simplified version of sending out a broadcast or campaign through GetResponse. So it can be done in here, right? So they can simply select whatever list that they want to pick that they have built with us, and they can send a newsletter to that list. Right. What I can do as well is to use Content Fountain, where they can spin out original content from existing email swipes. And they can also use Spambox filter. This acts a little bit like Bitly or Magic, where we filter out or we mask the links of their affiliate links so that it doesn't go into the spam box. Right. So just look at this. Every single email once it's sent, it's trackable here. When it's created, when it's sent, how many emails it's sent, and total what are they. So let's say, for example, I want to send a newsletter through the money page broadcast. I simply select the list that I want to send my newsletter to, and I can go in there and type whatever email it is, insert a link, and I can send it out. Right. So let's take a look. So you see here, I can insert a subject line, I can insert content. Alright. And I can even hyperlink this and insert the affiliate link. So once someone masks their link, they can put the link here, and they can just simply click send newsletter, and it will send from the software to their subscribers. They don't even need to log in to get a response. Okay, so we have tons of success stories as well. It's all in there. We have some amazing bonuses. We also have some more upgrades called the income streams, where they get, members get access to a couple of really good ebooks. We've got mindset training here. We've got a bi-weekly live training. So let me just hit it there. So for every member, alright, we have bi-weekly training. So this was the last one that I did, which was just like last week. So I go in there, I go into the members area, I go to Facebook, I go live for an hour at least, right? And I go through with members really solid content, right? For example, 7 rules to live by, to get rich, how to live, 7 rules for an affiliate marketer, how to write emails that converts part 2, we even have part 1 here, 7 reasons people fail, how to scrub your list, how to polish it for healthy open rates, what are the top 5 networks for beginners, daily myths to expel, our subscribers down, and what is next. I like how to find the best solo ads, how do you track your cost per lead. So all these things, all these trainings are super valuable. I spend time and I invest in it to really come out with slides, to really come out with training that helps the members. So if you look at our Facebook group, it's insane. We have over 400 testimonials. We have over 4,000 members right now. And it's just growing because the system works. We really help people make money online. And we have leaderboards, and in the leaderboards you can see you can see our members' success. You can see what top members that we have on a monthly basis, and we're going to add on more features to the leaderboard. So we can see how many sales our members have generated in total. It's all going to be here. So guys, this is an amazing platform. Everything's done for you in here. It's a plug and play affiliate marketing software where I've invested a lot of money to build, and a lot of time, a lot of investment. So you can be confident to promote this to your members, to your affiliates. It's 100% easy to use, and we have seen tons and tons of success stories from this. Right, so this is my baby. I created it, and I'm going to go all in to make sure that every member makes money online, right? If they are there, if they're open for us to help them, we have to help them with the team, we have coaches. So it's all good, it's all done for you. If there's any questions, guys, please feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be ready to answer them. That's all for the demo video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.